You want to know the secret to slowing down the aging process? It all starts with an extremely potent molecule. And without it, your cells literally can't make energy. In fact, they can't even repair themselves. Now that sounds like a problem waiting to happen, right? Well, that molecule is called NAD+. And to understand how critical it is to the aging process, let's use an analogy, because I love analogies. When your body performs a service, just like you, it expects to get paid. And in order to do that, there has to be a form of currency. So let's say ATP is analogous to the US dollar. And if that's true, then NAD+ is the Federal Reserve.
Just when you think you've seen it all, Viking throws you a curveball. Holy shit! I did not see that coming.
So let's keep going with the money analogy. You're in your 20s, you're rich. Your 30s, maybe upper middle class. After your 40s, you're practically bankrupt. And to prove my point, everything in life is going great. Then you hit the big 4-0, and even though you haven't changed your lifestyle, your body starts turning against you. You try to eat relatively well, you work out, but you stop recovering like you used to. Your brain feels foggy, and you've got the libido of a sloth, a pregnant sloth. That's not just getting older. That's your body buying into that whole circle of life shit. So you go to your doctor, and he says, let's start you on NAD+, right? Wrong. He's like, what do you want me to do about it? Welcome to getting older. So why does he choose door number 2? Now, excuse me while I put on my tinfoil hat. It's because Big Pharma has the health industry in a chokehold. And if doctors don't cry uncle, they get their necks snapped like a Thanksgiving turkey. Because healthy people in Big Pharma, they're mortal enemies. So of course the recommendation isn't going to be something like NAD+ to keep you healthy. It's going to be a prescription for fatigue, depression, cholesterol, or whatever else keeps you dependent upon the system. Whatever else makes you a repeat customer. But you have a choice. You don't have to say, okay, because you're not broken. You're just running on fume. I mean, would you let a tow truck haul your car to the junkyard because you ran out of gas? No, you wouldn't. But that's what you're doing when you buy into the bullshit. So there you go. Now you know. NAD+. It's your cheat code to slow down the aging process. It fuels enzymes that repair DNA damage, control inflammation, it regulates your genes. It activates the longevity proteins like sirtuins. So every time you don't get enough sleep, you eat garbage, or you get sunburned, NAD+ has to pick up the tab. And that'd be great if there was a money tree sitting out in the backyard of life, but there isn't. So your savings account drains faster than your willpower at Golden Corral by up to 50% in your skin and 30% in your liver. And inevitably, your body gets to the point where it has to make some tough decisions. Do I spend my last NAD+ repairing DNA, or do I spend it just to keep the lights on with ATP? And you know you're not winning that game. And that's why aging sucks ass. But guess what? You can replenish your supply of NAD+. And if you also keep doing things that stimulate what little natural production you have left, such as using targeted peptides or staying vigilant with moderate exercise, and no, that doesn't include going to Amazon and buying some random powder, because the NAD+ you put in your body needs to be pharmaceutical grade. It has to mimic the same molecular structure as produced by your body. I know what you're thinking right now, but Sam, where could I possibly find a quality product at an affordable price with a licensed medical professional who take the time out of her busy schedule to tailor a protocol that matches my individual requirements? I don't know. Listen, you're not too old. You just need an angel investor at the cellular level, and that's Viking. Or you can keep pretending your Flintstone multivitamin is that close to cracking the aging code. I take NAD+ every day, as do hundreds of other Viking patients. And the results? Faster metabolism, sharper brain, better sex, stronger workouts, younger looking skin, and a body that recovers like it's not 58. It's not about vanity, it's about quality of life. So just call Viking or visit vikingalternative.com for more information, because getting old is inevitable. But drooling all over yourself for the last 10 years of your life, that's a choice. Feel the